Good morning, guys. I'm a hot mess. I need to go get in the shower to go to the party.
Go outside, the snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile.
Alright, so I just did a quick straighten up of the kitchen. Swept the floor. It was a mess, but there's all that. I'm crossing my fingers, hoping hubby will clean it up today. He'll probably unload the dishwasher. So, there's that. Put that away. I'm still in my pajamas. I got this all cleaned up though. And then these are our cookies, so those are staying there. I'll put that away. That goes in the, I don't use it that often, so I keep it up in the pantry, up high, and it's heavy, so I have to have hubby to help. Yeah. So that's the mess that I'm dealing with. I'm gonna go take a shower, get ready. I need to, so all the cookies are right here for going, in case you haven't watched the other videos, I'm going to my sister's house for a cookie exchange party. Actually, she was calling it a Christmas carnival, and we're doing games and crafts and making cookies. My mom's cookies, or I don't know what you call them. They're the peanut butter kiss cookies, the peanut butter cookies with the kiss in the middle. She always made them every year, so it's a tradition for us to make them every year. So even if we don't do the cookie exchange party, we always do that. All right, so I need some bags or something. Family room's a mess. Whatever. To bring this stuff. I want to stop at the Dollar Tree real quick to see if they have glue, pom-poms, and googly eyes. If not, oh well. I have markers so they can mark. I needed pom-poms for the reindeer, but they can just draw it on. And I do have eyes, but I kind of wanted the bigger googly eyes. And I do have some glue. So if all else fails, it'll be fine. All right, so, I need to make some Christmas cards for everybody and put them on there. So, and it's 9:35. I debated whether to go ahead and give everybody, yes, my craft room's a mess, their Christmas money. I don't know, I can't decide. I guess I won't. These are some Christmas cards. I'll fill one out for everybody. And, I don't know, I can't decide on the money thing yet. What to give everybody. I don't know. Or should I give them a present? I don't know. I guess I'll wait. Isn't this a nice little box? Yes, I picked the cards up because of the box. Because I'm weird. I can open it. Yeah, I like that. The cards are pretty nice too, so. I'm gonna get some Scotch tape. Do y'all know the story about the Scotch tape? When I was first decluttering, I went through every drawer and I found a plethora of Scotch tape. And I will never have to buy Scotch tape again. I've already used up some. So this is why it's important to go through your stuff and have a home for everything. Because I just kept buying Scotch tape thinking I didn't have any. And I don't keep a thing of wrapping paper anymore. Well, I have a little small thing of wrapping paper, and all my Christmas wrapping paper is put in with my Christmas stuff. I'm like, one year I'm like, duh, why do I need to keep it out in the house all year long? I only need it at Christmas time. So, I do have, so I need some Scotch tape. So I do have a small thing of, I don't really use wrapping paper too much. That container right there has wrapping paper in it for everyday kind of thing. My supply is getting low on that, but if I don't have something, I just go to the Dollar Tree and buy a bag instead of having a whole stock of stuff. It's not necessary. So I did decide to give everybody $100 in their card. So yeah, then I'll figure out something else. I don't know, maybe later for the littles. All right, done now to go take a shower. 9:47. Party's at 12, but I wanted to go a little early.
All I want is to spend this day gonna give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Alright, I'm just wearing the same thing I wore at Thanksgiving. I tried it on another, what do you call these things? Shawl. I don't remember what's happening to my hair. Oh my gosh, whatever. It's frizzing on me. The other one, it's on the floor. It's too small. So I'm just wearing this. I need to lose some weight. Things are not fitting me. Anyway, you can hear hubby's putting away his loading dishwasher, and he loaded up the car for me with table and chairs. So I'm going to go now. Here's hobbies, the very few and far between seen hobbies. Okay, I'm ready. I'm early. It's only 10:30 and the party starts at 12, but I gotta go to Publix, which is right down the street. And my sister's house is only less than 15 minutes away. I've said that before. Anyway, I'm just not feeling it today. Can I put you over here? I'm not liking. Nope, that's not any better. Anyway, I got a banana and I got some water. I'm gonna stop at Publix too and get some fruit, because I don't want to eat a bunch of junk. I only had one of those cookies, actually half of one, and gave the other half to Bob. I don't dislike them, but they're not like super yummy, like chocolate chip cookies. Bob said they're like a gourmet kind of cookie, specialty cookie. I probably should have grabbed some of the rest of them and stuck them in people's things, but if we do a Christmas Eve thing, I can bring the cookies. Although my sister will have some, I don't know, whatever. I'm not feeling good. I'm gonna go early to hang out with my sister because I haven't talked to her in a while, or hung out with her since Thanksgiving. So, which is what, 2-3 weeks? Anyway, all right. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm winging it. I kind of just want to stay home and be lazy, but I know I regret it. If I don't go, it'll be good for me to get out and to be with the kids, and I don't want to miss it either. I don't want to go, but I don't want to miss it. All right, I'm going to go to Dollar Tree, which is right by the Publix, to get pom-poms. Remind me, pom-poms, googly eyes. I don't know what's in my phone. I think I put straws, but I think I've given up on that. We'll just use the plastic ones. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Okay, at Publix, they did have googly eyes, pom-poms, and glue. So, I contemplated getting hats, those little like headband hats with reindeers and stuff for each kid, but there's 16 of them. I don't know if all 16 are coming. I don't know if my nephew Jesse and his 3 are coming. So, like, I don't know. And maybe my sister already did something like that, so I don't want to, it's her party. I don't want to outdo that. I don't know. I put them back. Plus, they're $1.25, not $1. How much would that be? 32 plus 25 cents times 16. You do the math. I got myself a mocha. Or is it? A mocha cappuccino, because I realized I didn't have my coffee today. Maybe that's why I'm not feeling so good. So I got one of these. I haven't had one of them in a while. It does have milk in it, so I have not been having that much dairy. That's my excuse, and that's all I'm sticking to it.